The secret lives of parrots, more than just mimicry. Did you know parrots live surprisingly long and complex lives? Let's uncover some fascinating facts. Parrots aren't just pretty faces. Many species live for decades. Larger parrots like macaws can even outlive humans, reaching 80 years or more. Smaller species, while shorter-lived, still enjoy a significant lifespan compared to other birds. Parrots are highly social creatures, often living in flocks with intricate communication systems. They form strong bonds with their mates and engage in complex problem-solving. Their intelligence is truly remarkable. Sadly, many parrot species face threats like habitat loss and illegal pet trade. This significantly impacts their lifespan and population numbers in the wild. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these amazing birds.